Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Silvercrest 2-in-1 steam mop and handheld steam cleaner. Steam ready in only 30 seconds. With detachable handheld steam cleaner, great for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home. Fold away handle for space saving storage. Operating time per tank 11 minutes. Tank capacity 350 ml, 6-meter cable, 1500 watts power consumption with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. This is the newest model. In the past I have made a video for the oldest model, so it's about time to test the new model. Long cable 6 meters, very convenient, thick cable, good quality. And of course included we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box before going at the main unit. We have the steam foot, unlock, rotates, left and right, up and down. Locks in 90 degrees. At the bottom we have the cover. You can remove that and install one of the two fiber cloths. Perfect. And after finish, you can clean it, of course, wash it at the washing machine, just pull and remove. Here we can see and the 5 outlet small holes for the steam. Here we have the funnel and the filling cup, max 350 ml. It helps to fill up the tank at the main unit here. Here we have the angle nozzle, the scraper, the oblong brass, very hard, with the outlet for the steam, the fiber cover. You can use the fiber cover together with the upholstery attachment. There it is. Next we have the large round brass and the small round brass. The extension nozzle, the extension hose with a length 90 cm from the one end to the other end, and here you can connect all the attachments, press and it will lock, press, rotate and it locks. It is very tight, it has a silicone rubber at the front, the same and for the other accessories. Here you can connect all the accessories. The small accessories. Next we have the squeegee attachment for cleaning windows. Remove the fiber cover and install that here. So easy to use all the attachments. Now let's move on at the main unit. We have the handle and it locks, the folding button to unlock, the eject button for the handheld unit, remove and use only that unit, and again here you can install all the accessories. With all the small accessories, and of course you can install the spiral hose, and we have the unlock button, press and unlock, pull to remove. Here we have the steam level regulator, the water tank with a cover, silicone rubber, seal it very well, the light indicator here at the front, handle, and of course very easy to install it back at the main unit. It is 2-in-1. Press the button and remove. Hanging hook for cable management. You can have the cable here. For storage. And when you want to use the cable, just twist these two levers and remove the cable. And of course at the front you can install all the accessories. Here, lock and lock switch to remove. And of course the small accessories. And don't forget, we have the steam foot. You can install that here. Nice! So I think it's about time, let's move on and test it, see how it works. Water at the tank. Use this funnel. 350 ml. Perfect. Seal it. Turn it on. We have a green light. I have connected the spiral hose. Let's make a steam test. Okay, that was fast. To use the steamer for the floor with this fabric, install the fabric only and you are ready. Now I have some stains at the floor. and you can clean it and use it again for your carpet. If you want to use it for the carpet, use the glider together with a fiber. And that was all, so easy. Press and clean carpet with the power of the steam. This versatile cleaning tool is perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks around your home, providing powerful steam cleaning in both mop and handheld configurations. Sanitize and deep clean a variety of surfaces with a powerful steam output. Effectively remove dirt, grime and bacteria without the need of harsh chemicals, making it a great eco-friendly option. The dual functionality of this device as a steam mop, it's perfect for cleaning and sanitizing floors, leaving them spotless and streak-free. With a quick conversion, it transforms into a handheld steam cleaner, ideal for cleaning countertops, tiles, grout and even upholstery. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures easy handling and maneuverability, while the quick heat-up time means you can start cleaning in no time. The large water tank provides extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills, and the included attachments allow you to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient steam cleaner that offers both floor and handheld cleaning capabilities, this steam mop and handheld steam cleaner is an excellent choice. Its combination of powerful steam cleaning, versatility and user-friendly design makes it a standout option for any household. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and home cleaning tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.